Welcome to the third section of this course. This section will be about contours and segmentation. Let me very quickly walk you through the contents of this section. In this section, we are going to learn binarization of grayscale images, how to find external and internal contours in a binary image, extracting connected components from a binary image, checking whether a point is within a contour or not, fitting lines and circles into two-dimensional point sets, calculating image moments, computing distance maps, and last but not the least, image segmentation using k-means algorithm. Binarization of grayscale images using the Otsu algorithm. Converting grayscale images to binary images using Otsu's method is useful when you have only two classes in an input image and you want to extract them without any manual threshold adjusting. To binarize our image, we are gonna read the test image, estimate the threshold using Otsu's method, and lastly, we'll visualize the results on our screen. So let's dive right in. So as usual, we'll start by importing our modules. Next, we'll be reading our image as a grayscale image. Next, we'll be using OpenCV's threshold function, and threshold function applies thresholding to multi-channel array. It takes source, threshold, which is -1 in our case because we are using the Otsu's method. Next, we'll provide it with max value the result can have. And lastly, we'll provide the type of the threshold that we are trying to apply. So let's run this. Now let's go ahead and execute this block of code. This 124 is the threshold that we estimated using Otsu's method. So let's go ahead and visualize the results. So here we go. That was our input image, and after applying Otsu's threshold, we have got this image. You can clearly see that the image is partitioned into two classes, the black pixels and the white pixels, depending upon their color intensity. So that's pretty much it from this video. Let's see what we are going to cover in the next one.